Okay, engine warmed up. This is before I've done the actual injectors. Just taking it out for a run, so there's the engine warmed up.